In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add your Shopify store link to your TikTok bio, providing a convenient path for viewers to visit your store directly. This is an easy and effective way to drive traffic and potentially increase sales directly from your TikTok profile. Ready? Let's dive right in. To get started, first, ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. This is where it all begins. Once there, navigate to the section called Online Store. Here you'll find your website URL or domain information. Go ahead and copy your store's primary domain. It will usually look something like www.mystore.com and serves as the gateway to your online storefront. Keep this handy because we're going to use it in just a moment. Now grab your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account where you want to add this link. This small yet significant tweak is going to help leverage your account for business purposes. Once you're in TikTok, locate the profile icon, typically positioned in the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on it. This will bring you to your personal TikTok profile page where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to tap on Edit Profile. This option gives you the flexibility to adjust various elements of your profile, making it more engaging and informative for your audience. Here, you'll see multiple fields that you can modify, but our primary focus today is on the bio field. This is where you're going to paste that URL you copied from Shopify. After pasting your link, make sure to tap Save. This confirms the changes you've made and effectively integrates your store's link into your profile biography. Once saved, return to your profile to see the new addition. Here's a crucial tip that many might overlook. To make this link clickable within your bio, you'll need to switch your TikTok account to a business account. Doing so unlocks additional features that are essential for promoting your business effectively. To do this, head to your profile, tap the menu indicated by the 3 horizontal lines, and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Account, and then choose Switch to Business Account. TikTok will then prompt you to choose a business category, and in some cases, you might need to upload a business ID for verification purposes. Once everything is verified and set up, you'll notice that an additional website field appears in your profile settings. This is where your Shopify link will not only be visible, but also clickable, making it easy for your viewers to visit your store at the tap of a button. And there you have it. With just these few simple steps, your Shopify store link will now appear as a clickable website button in your TikTok bio. This small change can make a big difference in directing traffic from TikTok to your online store. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your online presence for maximum impact.